Hello everyone. In this video, we'll cover 5 key points about sampling method course. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, objectives. Number 3, prerequisites. Number 4, chapter 1. Number 5, final test. Let's get started with the introduction. Sampling methods are the procedure of acquiring representative sample from large population for research or statistical analysis. There are two main sampling techniques. The first one, probability sampling, which has 4 types: sampling, random sampling, systematic sampling, stratified sampling, and cluster sampling. The other type is non-probability sampling, which has 3 types: judgment sampling, convenience sampling, and last one, quota sampling. The objective course. Students will be able to demonstrate knowledge, show understanding, apply knowledge, analyze, synthesize, and evaluate. Before studying sampling techniques, it's important to have some basic understanding of statistics and probability. Also, inferential statistics and data collection method, data analysis software, and research design. Let's now proceed to the initial chapter on sampling method, which is basics concepts. By the end of this chapter, students will be able of the following. Number 1, define population and sample. Number 2, explaining the difference between population and sample. This chapter is structured into sections. Section 1 uses of sample survey, which has 3 subsamples. What are sample survey? The principal steps in sample survey, and the last one, designing sampling survey. Also, the second section is population vs sample. Is divided into 4 subsections. Number 1, defining population. Number 2, explaining the concept of the sample. Number 3, technique for collection data. And 4, technique for collection sample data from a sample. And finally, I provide a final test which will test students if they understood this course, and it has questions like multiple question or unique questions, and by the end student will get a score, and if the score below 10, student must repeat this final test. If the score above 10, it means that student understood this course. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please contact me in the email below.